Everyone, welcome back to Mommy Shelly's kitchen. Actually, a fresh egg noodle. I already blanched it to get rid of that little whatever taste. Yeah, so I have here an egg noodle. I have pork. I have shrimp. I have garlic. We have garlic here. We have shallots, and I have red bell pepper, green onions, I have carrots, and I have Napa cabbage. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to put a little oil in our pan here. Okay, here we go. Garlic there. Shallot. Okay, I am going to add my pork in here. Put some seasoning. Put a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of teriyaki sauce here, give it a little flavor. Let's mix it. Okay, that's it. I'm going to put it separately because I would like to cook the shrimp next. Now we're cooking our shrimp and the rest of the vegetables. We have garlic again. We have the shrimp. Seasoning. Black pepper. We have the black pepper here. I don't want to overcook my shrimp because I want my shrimp to be always tender, soft. So I'm going to just cook it really quickly and then take it out. Let's take out our shrimp. I think our shrimp is done. Just still soft, so that's really good. Add a little more vegetable oil. There goes our red bell pepper here. Carrots. Okay. I'm gonna put some seasoning in here. Our seasoned salt with garlic and other stuff in it. Herbs. Put our vegetable, our Napa cabbage. I'm gonna put first. Hold on. I'm putting the hard stuff first. Alright, let's add the other green part of the Napa cabbage. And cover it. Cover it. Okay, now it's cooked. We'll transfer it, and I am going to cook the noodles separately. Okay, we transferred our vegetable in here. Now we're gonna cook our noodles. I want the noodles separate, that's why. Fry it a little bit with vegetable. Okay, now we're going to cook our, it's already cooked, but I just wanna fry it just a little bit. And then put everything in the ones that we already prepared, the meat and then the vegetables, just to give it Okay, now let's put our, remember we cooked it separately, our meat. I'm gonna put that in here. Put that back in. All the sauce, and I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here just to get them out. Yeah. Okay, so we have our shrimp. We are making a stock of our shrimp. Okay, and we have our shrimp stock. I'm going to put the shrimp stock in here. Yeah. Okay. I will add the vegetable later because they're already cooked. And then the shrimp later as well. I don't want it to be cooked. Let's cover it. Let's let it cook. And I also have a little bit of cornstarch in here, just to thicken it a little bit. Cornstarch. Okay. Our vegetable. Again, our vegetable is already cooked. Use the whole thing. I'm gonna use some of the vegetable to do a little decoration later. Okay. Let's put some green onions and let's turn it off. Okay, so we are going to transfer our noodles now into our plate. Here's what the noodles look like after we cook it. Now we're going to transfer it. You see the the sauce. Putting a little bit of cornstarch in it will give it a little sauce and thicken the sauce. Presentation. Okay. So we have our noodles. Vegetable left. Keep the vegetables on the side. These are the vegetable we did earlier. Just put it around. And set our noodles. And here we go. And now I'm going to put a little bit of the fresh green onions in it. And don't forget, we still have our shrimp. We're going to put our shrimp around. Here is our final egg noodle with shrimp and pork and a lot of vegetables, of course. We want a lot of vegetables in our food. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed our cooking today. And if you like it, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And like, share, and subscribe. Happy cooking, everyone, and I'll see you all next time.